Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo, his palms this way, knees weak, arms.
Family, and hello to my new subscriber. I will give you a shout out personally in the very next video, but I don't want to butcher your name. And right now I will butcher your name. So I apologize, but thank you so much for being a new subscriber. Anyway, point of the video. My first and my second earthquake in Korea happened on the same day. Today. Within the same hour. It was a trip. It was a trip. I'm totally fine. Totally fine. But the story of what was happening up here and in my building when the earthquake was actually going on, blah, 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 that is the comedy. That's the story. I feel like, what's her name on the Golden Girls? Picture it. Sicily, 1942. But nah, it was just my workplace in South Korea today in 2017, so not as fun. Sophia, right? Yeah, it was Sophia. Anyway, so I'm sitting at work, typing away. So I'm doing that, and then suddenly I hear that old familiar sound. Okay. I mean, like where I'm from, that means inclement weather. It's gonna rain really hard for 5 minutes. There's gonna be a dust storm. A haboob is coming. You know, Arizona weather. That's what we get. So, being in South Korea, and it's getting super cold right now, I figured it was going to be something like heavy rain, roads are going to be icy, or, you know, like do they have flash blizzards? Is that a thing? I don't know. But I'm thinking it's something like that. Either way, my thought is, I am so glad I wore these boots today. Like, they're kicking my butt. They are seriously kicking my butt. However, with this weather that's coming right now, who is the smarty today? So, you know, I'm feeling good. And then I lost my mind because then my phone made the beep. Why my phone making the beep? My phone is beeping. My phone is emergency beeping. Time to go. Time to go. Because I'm in South Korea. And if my phone is beeping, like, it's going down. It's I was so far past Jesus take the wheel, like my heart couldn't breathe. I couldn't even hyperventilate because I couldn't breathe. It was just and no, nothing else happened. It was just that. It was literally just that. And my mind is saying, you have a US phone number. Why are you getting this message in South Korea? It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Oh my God, I just want to go home. I gotta call my dad. I gotta call my baby. I'll call my sister, my mom. I'm gonna call my brother. I'm gonna call everybody because I'm about to die. I had no common sense right then. Like, it was all panic mode. No common sense. Zero. 0, 0, 0 on the common sense, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me for it. You know, like, you have to understand, we don't have earthquakes in Arizona. So for all of this to happen, that's not right. No, I shouldn't be getting the messages. No, no. And then my coworkers all doing this. Oh, oh, achicha, oh. I'm in panic mode. I can't read Korean right now because I'm in panic mode. I don't know what it says. But the look on your face and the fact that you're going, oh, really? Like, oh, word? For real? You can't do that. Not with the emergency beep. No, no, no. You don't do that. So I'm like trying to be cool. So my phone made them, my phone did it too. What? I It's not working. I can't read that. What does this say? And then it said, I saw 5.5. Remember how I said I had no common sense at the moment? Yeah, this much, 0. So it didn't occur to me. It's an earthquake. Hello? So my coworkers were like, oh yeah, there was an earthquake, but it's really, really south of here. Like really south of here. It's fine. Whew. Okay. There was an earthquake, but it's really south of here. I don't have to worry. Ah, no. Because why did my phone go off? Remember? No common sense. And I sat there for a second, and then I realized, hey, stupid. You know how you still have your US phone number, but it's roaming on a Korean carrier? So that's why you got the messages, dummy. Got it. Got it. And that took about a minute and a half for like that whole process to go down, right? And just as I'm like, okay, I'm calm, that's when this started. And I was like, oh, the building is moving. Like the building is really moving. It's really moving. Okay. But it was far from here. So why is my building moving? Like really? Why is my building moving? And none of my other, like, there was 2 other people, no, 1 other person in the office with me at the moment. And I was like, you feel that, right? And she goes, yeah, yeah. See, I heard it first. I know it sounds weird, but I heard it. I heard that because I was hypersensitive at the moment because I had just gotten out of panic mode, right? So I kind of hear it, and then I feel it, and I'm like, okay. I don't know where I got this from. Arizona, we don't have earthquakes. But I was like, oh, there's an earthquake. I should go stand in the door frame. I don't know why. I don't know if that's right or not. Arizona, we don't have earthquakes. I don't know. But I got up when I stood in the door frame. And it also helped me be nosy. Because when I got to the door frame, I see the husband and wife team that are my boss. She's standing and she's got this look on her face like, what is that? And he is doing this. He's looking around like, what is this? And then I noticed that all of the academy is silent. So, the students are feeling it also. And usually they're loud and they're making noise and all this, that, and the other. But as soon as this started, oh, they shut it down. Like everybody was silent. It was crazy. So, like, a couple of minutes go by and all the shaking and everything stops. Everybody's fine. Whew. Okay. If that's all it is just a little bit of aftershock, I'm cool. I'm okay. This is comical, like how I lost my mind temporarily, but I'm good now. Super good. So I go about my way, my day. Edit. Go about my day. I'm teaching and things like that. And this is only like 20 or 30 minutes later. It might have been an hour later. You know what? I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm going to look it up on my phone real quick. Hold on. Let's see. Let us see how far apart they were. Message number 1 came at... See, now my phone wants to be all slow. Oh, I'm a damn lie, y'all. Mama, don't hit me. The first one came at 2:30, which was the 5.5. The second one came at 4:50, which was a 4.6. Yes. So they were really far apart. I just thought I could feel the building moving all day long. But what's funny about the one that happened at 4:50 is, all the phones start going off again. I'm not losing my mind this time as far as, oh my God, it's about to go down. And I'm just like, okay, it's another earthquake. But I could feel the last one. And if it's happening again, they might be getting closer. These boots are kicking my tail, but I swear I will be the first one down those stairs because I got my exit strategy. Is get out. Just get out. I'm going to be the first one. I'm out right now. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not going to push little kids, but I will do the OJ leap. Remember back in the day from those Hertz commercials when he would jump over stuff in the... Nah, you're not old enough to remember that. Go look it up on YouTube. I'm pretty sure they have it. OJ. It was like a Hertz commercial. He was leaping over stuff in the... You don't even know who OJ is, do you? Well, you know who OJ is, but only from the bad press. Never mind. Don't go look it up. Just know that I would have leaped over some kids with the quickness. Okay. So I'm now thinking exit strategy. How am I going to get out the building? Doesn't matter. I'm going to be the first one out the building in these super heavy boots that are squeezing my toes. But right now, that's exactly what I need because that means that they're going to stay on when I'm running. Like, weird thoughts went through my head. But anyway, the second one went off and I was walking to put something on my desk and go back to another classroom, and I see my boss, and he's standing in the doorway, looking at his phone. He's like, yeah, there's another. And I had to giggle a little bit because you just stood in the doorway because I said that. I could have told you some completely wrong information, but you didn't. And I thought that was funny. But yeah, it was comical the way that everything went down. It really was. I look back on it, and I totally laugh. Once everything was all said and done, I sent messages to everybody. Um, yes, there was an earthquake. There were actually 2 earthquakes. I'm totally fine. Don't worry. But see, now you can see my face. You see that I'm okay. You heard the craziness that went through my mind. Just the silliness that happened. So you know I'm okay. And you also know that if anything happens, yeah, I'll figure out how to get home. Once again, please hit the like button, subscribe, share the videos, tell a friend, something like that. New subscribers always makes me happy. And as I said in the very beginning, I will be giving a shout out to all the new subscribers as they come up. Okay? Thanks very much, everybody, for watching. I'm working on the videos from Halloween at my job. You should see that coming soon. Might do it tonight, might do it tomorrow, maybe over the weekend. Working on getting a camera as well so that we can have more videos, better videos, and you can see more of Korea with me so that we can actually be kicking it in Korea instead of just kicking it in my apartment. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. See you next time.
She up in the club, she just wanna ball up to show us some love. Got you at home, tryna be faithful.